So, we have made our first visit to the rather lovely and certainly unusual gardens at Dewstow, near, where are we? We're near kind of Caldicot,
yes,
Chepstow,
Caldicot area, yeah. Close to the Severn Bridge.
Close to the Severn Bridge, yeah, just inside the border from Wales. So if you're coming from England, you'll be okay coming this far into Wales, no problem. And I bumped into Pedro the Gardener.
That's me.
Nice to meet you.
Pleased to meet you.
So we're going to show you just now some of what we've seen on this amazing little garden. Actually, not so little. It was larger than we thought. But for me, one of the key points of difference here are these amazing grottoes and things that you've got here, these caves and things. And I understand that when you guys first started to get involved in this, quite a few of them, quite a bit of the garden was just covered over. Is that right?
Yes, it was mostly buried under soil that was brought up from the motorway in the 60s, and it was covered in during the war. So, for instance, where we're sitting now, there would have been a barn behind us, and this would all be concreted, so it's been excavated over the past 19 years.
So most of us get a bit kind of reluctant to do our garden because there's a few weeds and the odd bit of heavy soil. You guys had to shift tons and tons of rubble and soil and concrete just to get started on the garden, is that right?
Yes, initially it was a massive excavation. I mean, now really we're just keeping it up to date for people to visit. But in the first instance, it took 4 years really just to uncover it.
Wow.
To sort out what we were going to do, whether we were going to open it to the public or not.
Right.
And major operation.
That's amazing. And so I assume then that you had lots of gardening experience when you took this on?
No, not myself. I'm more on the structural side, concrete finishing. So I've really learnt the gardening side of it off various head gardeners, and then taken it on myself as they've left and I've learned, and trial and error. It really is just hard work. I mean, you can always research things. Yeah, true. And you put something.
You can even look on YouTube, couldn't you?
You can look on YouTube. But the main thing is just to try it. If it doesn't work, the most important thing is to put a plant where it likes to go. If it's a sunny plant that likes sun, put it in a sunny place. If it likes shade, put it in a shady place.
Right plant, right place.
Right plant, right
and we're going to show you some video clips now, and you'll see some of the contrast between the shady areas in the grottoes there, where you've got your ferns and things.
That's right.
And then some of the herbaceous borders, sort of the lovely dahlia border there in the full sun. So, but the key is, don't be afraid to have a go. I mean, these guys have done it, and they had to shift tons, years and years worth of rubbish out the way before they worked out and started experimenting. So, if at first you don't succeed, keep on going. Hey, Pedro, good to meet you. Well done, you've created a lovely garden.
Yes, and enjoy your gardening, that's the main thing.
Yeah, enjoy it.
Yeah,
we agree.
Yeah, definitely.